question about your answer. 240 plus 7 plus 8 equals 55. So 55 is a number that's a lot smaller than 240.
Oh.
What did you see?
So 55 is even less than 100.
Yeah, a lot less, right?
Yeah. So, and if you're adding up, and that makes no sense.
I'm glad that you caught that. So what would make sense here?
255.
So what equation would you write here? What represents the problem? You have your 207 plus what? Well, but you're adding this to this. Is this 55? You told me it was a different number earlier. Before you told me this was 48. 207. How many is here? How many are adding? 207.
48.
So these 48. And then it equals. So now you're ready to move on to the next problem. I'm wondering how you'll approach this problem. Here you use equations, here you use drawings and equations, and I wonder what strategy you'll use for this one. Grace, you were really moving along today.
He has 58 soccer stickers. She also has 127 tennis stickers. How many soccer and tennis stickers does John have?
Did I interrupt your thinking when I started talking to you?
I think I might have distracted
I
you.
know sometimes I get distracted. What are you working on right now? What steps are you doing?
Well, so 97 plus 100 equals 197.
Okay.
And 197 plus 40.
You're figuring that one out now? It is really hard. I think jumping over 100 is challenging. I'm wondering, do you think 1,000 chart or 200 chart wouldn't help because it doesn't go up high enough, right? Do you think 1,000 chart or a number line might help you think about how to add? Maybe a number line? Should we make a number line together in this space? You want to grab your 1,000 chart? Grab it. See if it's helpful. We're right there. So. Okay. How will you start? Do you think the answer is going to be here?
Yes.
Okay, so what number are you starting with here? I think you might have a slight error on your hundreds chart. And I'm going to tell you why I think that that might be the case. If this is 200, what's the number that comes right before 200?
100.
Well, Well, 100 counts.
Sorry. Oh.
100 before
100.
200, but if you're counting by ones, you just do 200 minus 1. It'll be 199, right? And if this is 199, where should 197 be?
197 should be a few away.
A few away. Where exactly will it be? Here's 197. Now, I noticed your 184 is over there. I think that might be in the wrong place. Let's fix this on another time. It definitely is. You're convinced yourself? Okay, great. So let's just worry about this now. So 197. And what are you adding to it? Let's look at your equation.
40.
40. So how will you add 40 to 197? Okay, so how many would that be? Okay, these are 3. How many more do we have to go? 37 more? Okay, so if we're at 200, we need to go 37 more. How will you do 200 plus 37? Why?
Because we already moved the
Okay. Do you just do this in a slightly different way, just so I can keep track of the steps you told me to do? Because you started at 197, and you already added 3, and you got to 200. And then you told me you use 3 of 40 with 37 more? Yes or no? So you told me that when we were here, we had to add 37 more. So if you have 200 plus 37, what will that take? 237. Does that sound right to you? Why?
Because if you look at you're actually, well, 197.
You started, yeah, 197 plus 40.
That's actually 397.
What is?
197 plus 200.
Yes, but you didn't tell me to add 200. You said you added 3. So you got from 197 to 200. You told me 197 is 1, 2, 3. Should we just keep adding till we get, so we've added 40 to 197?
Now see, I know a faster way to do this.
What's the faster way to do it?
Just go like this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna skip some numbers, but could do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know that it's like there.
Okay, because if you go down in that way, you're adding tens. Okay, so how will we add 4 tens to 197?
4 tens. 12.
It is hard. Do you think that looking at the cubes might help organize us a little bit? Because then we can add the tens on.
Yes, but well, we know that that's for the 10, so we might as well have 30.
But this is 10 more than 200. And you started at 197. You think about it this way. I'm going to go grab some cubes because I'm getting really confused. Are you getting confused at all? Okay, I'm getting really confused.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
So you put, when you're at 200, you added 40 more on to get 240, right? But you didn't have 40 because you used up the 3 already, right? So how many do you have to give back?
I have to get back.
In other words, you get to 240, but there are, you didn't have 40, you only had 37, right? So you gotta come back a little bit. How much you gotta come back?
37.
Wait, 37? Yeah, that's why I always,
This is gonna help me. I don't know if it'll help you, Grace. Okay, I think that's 190. Will you check that for me while I get 7?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I think I'll just
Very
because
confident.
there's that, I know that's 100,
Mm-hmm.
and I just counted that, and that's 9.
I think I managed to just grab 7 all at once. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you agree that that's 197?
Yeah.
Okay, and what are you adding onto it? 40? You grab 40. So now if you add those 4 tens here, will that be 197 plus 40?
97 plus 40. Yes.
Okay. Let's add them near the 10.
I
Okay.
think that's enough. 100.
I think you're right. I was just going to say, can we trade any?
Yeah.
So how many could we trade in for 100?
Okay. 37.
So what equals 100? How many tens equal 100? Might be another way of thinking about it. 10 tens? So if we take 10 tens, can we trade them in for
Yes.
100? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to count them or should I? I'll do it.
These
We're going to keep these? We can't trade them in?
yeah.
Because these are 10, right? So let's double check. So we can make this trade then, because you cut it out 10, 10. So how many do you have now that you've added 40 to 197?
We have 237.
37, 237. Does that sound like the right answer?
Yes.
Why? You said you knew it was going to be in the 200s. So this is in the 200s. What else tells you that this is the right answer?
Well, there's 200s, 3 tens, and
7 1.
and you know, I kind of think of it a little bit as stacking
Okay. So what does that mean?
because, well, if you look, there's 2, so you put them together, you get 200. Then kind of, well, as I explained it to you, there's